Today's question word is for those who love punctuality. Because Master Azerbaijani word of today we have NÄ VAXT. NÄ VAXT. NÄ VAXT is when, what time. First, let's take a look at some phrases. Then I will have some interesting sentences. Because remember, I received a comment to post a little more complex sentences. Challenge accepted. But phrases first. When exactly? Exactly dəqiq NÄ VAXT. Or you can hear tam olarak NÄ VAXT. What time? When it's happening. NÄ VAXT baş verir? Saat neçədə baş verir? Saat is a clock. Neçədə, what time exactly? Baş verir, happening. Sentences. Sizinlə maraqlı bir axşam yeməyi yemək və yeni layihələrimizi müzakirə etmək üçün nə vaxt görüşə bilərik? Nice and long sentence. Let's break it apart. Ready? When can we meet to have an interesting dinner with you and discuss our new projects? Now, sizinlə, with you, maraqlı bir axşam yeməyi yemək, to have an interesting dinner. Axşam yeməyi. Dinner, yemək, to eat basically. Maraqlı bir and interesting. Və, we know this one, and yeni layihələrimizi, our new projects. See, yeni is new. Layihə, project, layihələr, projects, layihələrimiz, our projects, layihələrimizi, our new projects, our new projects basically. Müzakirə etmək üçün, to discuss, nə vaxt görüşə bilərik? When can we meet? Another sentence coming. Şəhərin mərkəzindəki qədim binanın bərpa işlərinin tam olaraq nə vaxt başa çatacağını heç kim bilmir. Remember I said tam olaraq in the beginning? That's one of the uses. But let's do the translation first. Nobody knows exactly when the restoration work of the ancient building in the city center will be completed. Okay. Şəhərin mərkəzindəki, the one in the city center, qədim binanın, now what? The ancient building, of the ancient building. Bərpa işlərinin, the bərpa işləri, the restoration work. Tam olaraq, exactly, nə vaxt başa çatacağını, when will be completed, heç kim bilmir, nobody knows. Heç kim, nobody. Bilmir, knows. Watch this. Bilmək, to know. Bilir, he, she, it knows. Bilmir, doesn't know. So here, heç kim bilmir, nobody knows. Now, that was the little longer way of using NÄ VAXT. I have my fun ways too. Ask me NÄ VAXT. My answer is after coffee. Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in learning Master Azerbaijani, there's an app for you called Master Azerbaijani. You can check it out. And there's also masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in reading about cultural aspects of learning it. I'll see you tomorrow for another question word. Cheers.